We are the Fan Sisters. Welcome back to our channel.
If you guys haven't been here before, I'm Kim.
I'm Hannah.
I'm Vivian. And I'm Ann. Today we are doing a quarantine edition video and doing some tie-dye on some sweatpants.
These ones, so we've been all about the do-it-yourself movement. Last week we pierced our ears. This week we're doing our own tie-dye. It's so much better than going out and buying them. They're like $100 when you buy them pre-tie-dyed.
Ann got us these cute colors. Let's see. We got pearl gray, rose quartz, and tan.
Ooh, and we got some really cute sweats from Pretty Little Thing, and they fit really well, so it should be cute.
Woohoo! So let's get started.
Yeah, we just watched some YouTube videos, and based on all the videos we watched, we just kind of compiled all the tips and tricks.
So we'll just use our brain power and see what happens.
So what you're gonna need is the clothing that you want to tie-dye. We have trash bags here, but you can probably use grocery bags as well. We just cut open one of the sides so we can spread a little bit. Gloves, some dye, a bunch of rubber bands. We have these here because you'll need hot water to mix the dye in, and then the directions on the dye also say we need some dish soap, so got down. You probably need bigger bottles than this, but we use travel bottles to put the dye in so we can spread it on the clothes. That's it. Definitely think we need bigger.
Oh, and the towel, because you'll be testing out like whether or not it's dark enough for your liking, and then before you do it onto the sweats.
All right, so you will need a trash bag, and then you'll cut one side open so you hopefully don't make a mess. Voila. Then you'll have it open. Then you'll lay out your sweats like Hannah has. Typically with tie-dye, you need to fold it in a certain pattern to kind of achieve what you want to go for. I haven't done pants before, but Kim has a crinkle method she wants to do. In theory, I watched the video and you can just kind of fold it in whatever way you want.
Like the messier the better, probably.
Starting with the feet going up, and then once you get to the band, you fold down.
These is gonna be real nice. I'm gonna make mine tan so I can match Teddy. Once you get to the top, you just tie it and then move on to the other side.
So Kim's just going straight up. I'm gonna go side to side or something.
And then tie up this side.
The beauty of tie-dye is it can be imperfect and still look good.
You have to tie it into a circle.
It doesn't have to be circle, but just...
And tie it again with another rubber band.
Maybe we should show how we're all... I'm gonna go side to side. Pull some on the left side. You just fold them or crinkle?
Vivian over here. What are you doing there?
So I'm just putting the hot water in here so we can mix the different colors, and then chopsticks for mixing ones. You just test it on the towel to see if it's.
Oh, you need way more than that.
I think you can test it with the chopstick button. Yeah, that works too.
Hi, mommy. What's a drop? I don't know. Kim said a drop. We're just gonna. I didn't put soap when I tie-dyed before, so I don't know if you
Not sure what it's for, but you know what?
Do I
We're
need
just
to
gonna
put
do
more? Because it will wash out and be really light, huh?
Overnight.
it. And then she's gonna put it in here. So we're all basically going to be doing this with different colors, but same process. Just pour it all over.
It looks like you spilled coffee.
Let me wipe up all the excess. Oh yeah, it is gonna look like I spilled coffee.
Kind of lights.
So when I actually do spill coffee, You wouldn't even notice.
Sweatpants gave off. I wanted.
Oh man, there's lots of white spots.
Yep, she drenches hers.
Well, I will wear
Close it
them
back
because
up.
You guys have them.
Okay, well let me see. Maybe I don't want that much. Oh, actually, no, it's not too bad. It literally looks like coffee though. What the heck?
Well, when I
Super
wash
white.
them in the morning-
I like the crinkles though.
Yeah, kind of looks like marble.
Allied Marble, the sweatpants.
This color is interesting.
You could put gray in it and look
It'll
like marble.
I think
I
it'll.
think this is enough for me. I don't want to put more.
I think it'll lighten.
No, like you know how gray marble has like gray.
Yeah. There's
It'll
different
lighten
ones.
when you wash it, and depends when you wash it too. You can do 8 to 24 hours.
You just do all over the top.
Okay, I'm happy.
Yep, we just do literally all over. Whoa, looks like I spilt some Kool-Aid. You guys just comparing it to drinks you can smell. Yeah. Just careful, Viv, because it's gonna get in your pants.
Okay, and then when you're done, it's nice to use the garbage bag because you can just close it up and then just take the rubber band and tie the top and then take it home and let it sit for 8 to 24 hours. I'll probably only wait 8 because I'm impatient.
When you're done though, you're supposed to rinse it like in the sink with cold water.
You are?
The cold helps the dye set into the fabric. If you don't do that, you're gonna end up dyeing your other clothes. You have to wash it out.
Which is so nice.
Yeah.
Wow, those-
I'm gonna do a blend of the two, tan and pink, and see what happens.
Interesting. Look like.
Looks like you went paintballing.
Yeah. I don't know.
Looks like you
We should add it a little more.
They're not cool enough for Vivian. You gotta shake it a little.
Do you think if I put pink it'd be too much? Do what I
Look
do
like-
now.
Army.
Okay.
Why not? Pink and gray.
You'd probably like it though. I could see you wearing pink and gray.
Okay, so this is the end result. Anne and Kim have bagged theirs and they've tied it in their bags. I decided to do two colors. Oops, sorry.
Mine are a little crazy, so I don't want to show you yet. Hopefully the after is better.
I'm gonna go ahead and just tie mine back up. We just opened ours to see if there's any spots we wanted to fill in.
Here's a sneak preview. Like this to see the results.
Yeah, I'm actually happy with how mine turned out. I was afraid they were gonna look crazy, but
She didn't even want to tie-dye
I twisted
hers.
them into little spirals instead of folded it, and then it made it kind of like come out like tie-dye, so I like it a lot.
So you're supposed to let this sit for 8 to 24 hours. We will all go our separate ways and wash it whenever we feel like it.
And then we'll reconvene and show you guys what they look like.
A few moments later.
This is what they look like after washing them in the bathtub. It held its color pretty well. It didn't really fade, but I am about to dry them.
These are my pants. I'm really happy with how they turned out. It's like this nice nudie color. This is the front and this is the back. We didn't damp them before we applied the color, so I think that helped them not bleed when I washed them. And they stayed pretty true to color.
These are mine, and I use the color Rose Quartz. I love the name. I like them so much. I already wore them and got a stain here. I think because I left them overnight, the color turned to like light pink. It didn't stay like perfectly white, but I love them. Super cute. Perfect for when you're at home and eating. I like them when they were white, but I like them like this because you can't tell that I got a stain on them. It's hot sauce. I love hot sauce. Everything. These are my sweatpants. I used gray and rose quartz. When I washed them, it spread a little bit, so I don't know. But these are how they look. Nice.
These are my sweatpants. I mixed the rose quartz with the tan, so it's not as like super bright pink or neon, but I love how they turned out. Pink. This is in comparison to Vivian's, who just used rose quartz by itself. So it's a little more on the red side, I guess.
Initially, Anne's looked like period pants, but now they look like a nice pink.
So we hope you guys liked this video. Hopefully it inspired you guys to go out and tie-dye your own things.
Especially during quarantine, these are so comfy and it's a fun activity to do if you're bored at home.
Yeah, we had so much fun. Even if you can't do it with your friends, you can do it at home and pretend like you did it with your friends, or do it with us and watch this video.
And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more do-it-yourself quarantine videos like this one.
Keep an eye out for Kim's Poshmark because she's selling these.
Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time.